Today, I will be going playing Please Donate by Hasm on Roblox, and I will be teaching you how to create the plates to get people to actually donate to you. Because if you've never played Please Donate before, and you join the game, and you head over here to claim a stand, these are my plates, but you guys won't see any because you've never played them before. So to do that, um, you have to first you have to leave the, and I will be showing you how to make these plates because if you don't have them. So first you have to leave the game and you're gonna head over to whatever browser you have. It could be Opera, Chrome, Microsoft, whatever. And you're gonna search up roblox.com. You're gonna click the first one, this one. I'm gonna click on the link, and then here you get to the website. You can see how much Robux you have, and your friends will appear here, and then you're gonna click on create, and you're gonna click on creations. And I recommend if you guys have created any games on Roblox Studio, you will probably see them here. But if you haven't and you're new on Roblox, I recommend using uh, your place because my username is JohnO'Bear73 and I get a place whenever I join, even though I didn't create it. So you're gonna click on that. You're gonna scroll down on the side here to passes, and then here these are my other passes, but I already created them, and we want to create a new one. So we're going to click here, create a pass, and here you can change the image that you display. So you can do this whatever you want, but I'm not going to do it because it's optional, just for the video. And I'm going to make a name. You can name it whatever you want. You can do cars, you can do candy, or you can just name it whatever you want. It can even be gibberish. But for the video, I want to just name it candy. And if you want, you can add a description, but I'm not going to, because it's optional. And then I'm going to click create a pass, but it's still not ready yet. We have to, once, and then you get back here. You have to click on the game pass that you made, and you have to click on the side onto sales. And you have to click item up for sale because you actually want to sell it, and then how much Robux you want to sell it for. I'm going to do 10, and you only get 70% of the Robux because 20% of it goes to Roblox and 10% goes to the creators. You're going to press save changes. Remember to press save changes because if not, it's gonna save it. It's not if you don't click it, it's not gonna save. Yeah. So now it's ready. So now if you go back to Roblox, you join Please Donate again, and then you go over here to claim stand. These are my other game pass, but you see here, it's the one that I created, the candy. So that's how you create a game pass on Please Donate. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. And if it didn't, feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Okay, I think that's it. Bye bye, everyone.